असली माझ्या फेवरान आता 2 झाली and I have won by 2 votes. So it has been an incredible community effort. हांव फेस आसत पूण actually this is a victory for the community. Vincent Parasho, who stood like a rock behind me throughout, my election agent advocate Melissa Simoes, who fought the last election. We learned everything from her campaign and we corrected some of the mistakes. Ashley Do Rosario has been a political advisor. Cedric Lobo stood like a rock throughout. He's been there forever. And मातशें नांव वाचता थोडो टेंशन ना कित्याक like I said, a community candidate हांव. The face might be me, but these are the people who are actually responsible for this incredible win. So Denzel Xavier, Suzy D'Souza, my good friend Atish Fernandez, Vasco Dias, Blasio, who despite having a heart issue was an election agent, was a polling agent for me. Maria Rosa from Fontaines, Rinia, who was part of our original ARP setup, Runa Tavora, who helped me out big, old family friends Fatima Tagore and Rohin Gracias, Alu Gomes and the Gomes clan, who initially helped me out, Advocate Rui Ferreira, Tua and the other part of the family, Advocate Joseph Vaz and family. From the political setup, my president of Aam Aadmi Party, Valmiki Naik, Ankush Narang, Errol, MLAs Wenzi Vegas and Cruz Silva. From the Congress setup, Captain Viriato, Yuri, Tulio D'Souza and Richard. I would also like to thank Bab Utpal Parikar, who ensured that the opposition vote consolidated in my favor and who was very amenable to my request to agree to contest as an independent. Thank you, Utpal Bab. My family pitched in like crazy. Cesar Pinto, Paula, Zeet Govia Pint, my other friend Ana Maria Miranda, and all the rest of the Sequeira and the Govia Pint plan came out. Now this is the emotional part for me. I might carry the legacy of Dr. I'm the grandson of, legacy is too big for me to carry. I'm the grandson of Dr. Jack Sequeira, and his honesty and integrity people expect in me. I'm the son of Dr. Lily, who you know has been largely Panjim's pediatrician and who was my breakthrough to get inside it. But this election was fought on the integrity, honesty, perseverance and bullheadedness of engineer Ajit Sukija. He taught me never to give up. If one sales door closes, go to the other. I might have visited engineers, I might have visited places 5 times, 6 times, and I thank my dad for everything he taught me. Also my aunt Nina Sukija, who pitched in, my brother-in-law Lyndon Montero, and my sister Gitanjali Sukija. So the community which has come together is incredible. I missed out Vasco Alvarez and Dr. Oscar. Like I said, I'm just the face of this victory, but this has been the community which has come behind me.
Jack, one more thing is that 302 3 times.
No, there was one time recounting. At the end of the first recounting, I had won. At the end of the first count, I had won 345 to 342. My opponents were like slightly confused. There was an issue. They were not clear how to count it. But finally, they came to the conclusion that I was clear on 345 versus 342. They asked for the recount. There were 2 polling booths, so each booth was counted, so it took time. There was 1 recount, out of which 1 vote went invalid again in my favor, but I still won by 2 votes.
If you go to see the trend, opposition, it doesn't look good for the opposition. But how would you see that in the next 5-year term that opposition performs their duties well?
See, the trend is not good for the opposition. See, when you contest an election, you have to reach the electorate. No, you see the way the delimitation was done. Because I had such a great team, had the ability to reach. अरे delimitation किती केला? 1 week केला object करून serial number घातला. Not even clear where you can reach. It took me around 15 days to find all my voters. Even 700 voters which I reached, it came through 6-7 trips running around. Maybe the other candidates didn't have the resources. Then बाकीच्या मायर कोई केला that ST ward people are kicked out who were the winning candidates. Delimitation was done in such a way that the opposition is working at a 30% disadvantage. So you cannot take anything from this election that it is a trend that the ruling is totally in control. Assembly elections are a total different issue. I'm telling the opposition started at a 30% disadvantage. Means if you had to score 100, the ruling started with 30 points ahead.
And do you feel that the opposition coming together was really helpful?
Absolutely, for me it was a clear reason that the opposition came together and I won. If it had not been for Utpal Parikar and his team at the back end consolidating the opposition vote and many well-meaning citizens coming to work, Captain Yuri and Captain Viriato and Yuri Alamo also coming and campaigning to take care of the negative sentiments that were being spread. That was the only thing against me. Bob Wenzi Vegas, Bob Valmiki and Cruz Silva also helping out. This victory would not have been possible.